Today I am going to draw a beautiful girl. Let's draw the outline first. So I'm putting the orange color on the top to draw the body structure. So this is the face, you can see. Face. Okay, you can see the face. All right, and you can see the extensions. Okay, putting the hands in this side. All right, you can see the hands. And now we're going to draw the dresses. This is the gown. All right, okay, put some rubber straps here. It's part of the designs of the gown, and you can see the wrinkles here. Okay, all right, just we're seeing. Okay, so some shades you can see here, like a line drawing. You can see the visual presentations. So you can have the line drawings. All right, the shades in the middle looks nice. Okay, putting it here. All right, let's make some line drawings here. You can see. Okay, so the ballerina. Now we're going to put the hair style on the top. It's open here, so you can see the graphics of the open here. Just on the both sides of the head, you can see. All right, putting few details. Okay, few details here. And let's put the orange shades to make it more lively appearance. Okay, You can see the legs becoming nicely visible. And the left leg too. Okay. So the colorings, you see it looks good. All right, and putting some purple color here. Okay. The color for the total dress we are just putting right now. It's going to be the basic shades. And also we are putting the yellow color for the whole body. Mhm. Making it the bright one. Okay. All right. Now with the crayon we're just putting the ground here. Okay. You can see the ground. All right. Just drawing the outlines with the 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 shocks here. Okay. So it's a dancing girl and the ballerina. The total dress, you can see it's like a regular outfit which is used for the dancing purpose. All the dancers, they have some types of costumes which is used to decorate themselves to show the good looking appearance during the dance items. So all these drawings I just tried here just to make the visualizations looks good. Okay, all right. It's also a nice dress, and we're just putting the shades. All right, you can see here just little more details we are doing. Mm-hmm. We are doing okay. So it's almost good. I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.